Teacher Mindy back here, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways to increase your bookings by building rapport with your students. It's the 5 G's of building rapport. So the G number 1 is greet. Greet them with an energetic smile. Number 2, get to know your students, their likes and their dislikes. Number 3, give. Give the students a little peek into your own life, maybe by showing them one of your pets or your children or a picture of your family. Number 4, good. Have a good use of props to show the students as well. They love little fun props, puppets or 3-dimensional props or even 2-dimensional props that you can show them to go along with the lesson. It makes the lesson more interesting and will encourage them to book with you again. And number 5, grant. Grant fun rewards for the students. Give them something exciting along the way or at the end, so that they're happy that they earned a special reward for doing a good job in class. This will make them want to work even harder during your next class. So here are your 5 G's for building rapport with the students. I hope it helps increase your bookings. Next in this video, you're going to see some short clips of some actual lessons of me teaching students and using the 5G technique in order to increase my bookings. Good luck to all of you. If you have any questions, my email is down below, or you can message me on Facebook. If you're not a VIP Kid teacher yet, but you're considering starting your VIP Kid journey as a teacher, just give me an email and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.
Why? So. Hi. Is Apple there?
Yeah.
Does she want to say hi?
Yeah. Apple.
Hi, Apple. Hi, Mom.
Apple.
Hello, Apple. Is she being silly?
Yes.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Did you do anything fun today?
Yes. I ride bike today.
You did? That is so awesome. Our story is about a mom who goes shopping and rides her bike. That's so fun. Where did you ride your bike to?
I ride my bike in the playground.
Oh, by your school or at your apartment?
Apartment.
Your apartment? Very cool. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Is teacher Mindy. What is your name?
My name is Wendy.
Hi, Wendy. I live in Texas. Where do you live?
I live China.
Very good. Good job. How are you today? Are you happy or sad?
I am happy.
Very good. I am happy too. today you're going to earn donuts for doing a good job. Donuts. Do you like donuts?
Yes.
Good. We're going to have donuts.
Donut.
You see? You have donuts.
Sit on.
My rabbit not can sit on the sofa. What should that be?
Not.
My rabbit can't sit on the sofa.
My rabbit can sit on the sofa.
Mama bird, little bird, and the fox are all characters in the story. This is a fox.
A fox.
And here's the bird.
Bird.
What does little bird do?
A little bird wants to fly.
We are eating ice cream. He is eating a hamburger.
他的一下 hamburger. This is a door.
So,
Star. And Kiki, look at all your hearts you earned. Good job. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy.
Very good, Kiki. Good job. You get another Valentine heart.
Oh.
Did you like that one? Hearts for you.
Okay.
Lulu, you won. High five. Very good. Okay, bye-bye, Nunu.
Bye. Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Thank you. It was great to see you.
It was great to see you too.
You
Goodbye.
made me so happy.
I'm so happy too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.